I'm Chef Bailey, a private chef with Kitchit.com, and I'm standing today in the kitchen of my favorite restaurant, Frida's Caribbean and Soul Cuisine. Today I'll be making a jerk chicken pasta salad. Now when you hear the word jerk, the first thing you should think of is spicy, because that's exactly what this meal will be. And here we're going to start with chicken tenders. I like to just take a chicken breast and dice it into small little pieces like this. And then you want to season that with just a little salt, a little black pepper. And then I have here allspice as well as ginger powder mixed. Just sprinkle a little of that on there. And then for my jerk sauce, we have the jerk sauce, but I like to add a little vinegar and a little soy sauce to my jerk seasoning. Mix that up so. And then you want to use that as your jerk marinade for your chicken parts. Like so, and massage each piece. What you're going to do is you're going to grill these on a stovetop grill, and they really are fast. They take maybe 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Just want to continue marinating each one like so. And then you're going to saute these on a stovetop grill pan, 2 to 3 minutes each side until they're cooked. And then for the pasta, I'm going to be using rotini. I have a rotini pasta here, and we're going to top that with some cherry tomatoes, both orange as well as red, and some red peppers. Just keep it light. When your chicken is done, you're just going to top your salad, and your pasta salad will look like this: jerk chicken pasta salad.